Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mastering Retaining Walls and Shoring Systems using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial 27 and in this example we are going to simulate a retaining wall on pile foundation using PLAXIS 2D. So if you remember, in many previous examples we simulated various types of retaining wall and retaining structure like gravity retaining wall, cantilever retaining wall, and also many other retaining structure like diaphragm wall for deep excavation, tangent pile wall, etc. So in this example we intend to use a piled foundation for supporting this higher retaining wall. This a cantilever retaining wall which is 9 meter high, and we will use a pile foundation for this retaining wall. So this is a stratigraphy of the soil ground. We have two soil layers, the dense sand layer at the bottom, and also we have this upper soil layer which has a sloped ground. It is a clay soil. So we will model this retaining wall which is 9 meter high, and we will use a volume element for simulation of this cantilever retaining wall. And for the pile foundation we will use embedded beam, which is a feature for pile foundation in PLAXIS 2D and 3D. So as I mentioned, now this is a stratigraphy of the soil. So first we will define the soil stratigraphy using a boreholes. This is a geometry of the retaining wall. So the thickness of the foundation of the retaining wall is 1 meter, and the width is 5 meter. And I think it is okay now, and we save the project and we can start the calculation now. So as we can see, all calculation phases are completed successfully. So the first, I want to check the safety factor at this construction phase, the last construction phase of retaining wall without the pile foundation. So we click first, we save the model and we click on edit phase. So as you can see in here, the maximum reached safety factor is 1.28, which is a low safety factor and not acceptable because it has to be greater than 1.5 at least. So right now we will check the safety factor when we have a pile foundation. So as you can see, the safety factor is about 1.8, so which is much greater than this one, and it is more than 1.5, so it is acceptable.